Welcome back, teachers. Today we're diving into the exciting world of entrepreneurship with our second lesson on girl founders. But before we get started, let's do a quick recap. In our last lesson, we discussed with our students what is an entrepreneur, and we learnt anyone with any skills can be an entrepreneur. And in actual fact, we found out you need lots of skills. Your students might be feeling overwhelmed by this point and be asking, hey, I'm only in school. What's the point of doing this now? Don't worry. Enterprising Girls is all about trying things out, exploring your passions, and maybe even starting a business. Whether it's a side hustle or a lifelong dream, this program is here to support you every step of the way. And hey, age is just a number. These inspiring kid founders are proof that you're never too young to make a difference. From inventing biodegradable plastics to advocating for environmental change, these girls are changing the world one idea at a time. Play the She Solves playlist for your students. You'll find it linked below in the video description. Now it's your turn. Ask your students to choose a kid founder who inspires you and think about the problem they were trying to solve, how they solved it, and why their idea is inspiring. But remember, you don't have to go it alone. Building a team around you can be key to success. Play the Dynamic Duos video. Let's discuss what makes an effective team and navigate challenges when working with others. Working in collaboration with others is one of the most important components of the Academy for Enterprising Girls program. After watching the Dynamic Duos video, discuss what makes an effective team, what can be challenging when working with others, what advice did these girl founders give for working as part of a team, what do you need to be mindful of when working with others. All right, let's wrap up. You've met some incredible girls who are making waves in the entrepreneurial world. And here's a skill statement to take with you. I know it's more important to try and fail. I can learn from my mistakes. And even if I can't do something yet, I can keep learning and trying until I do. Keep up the great work, Enterprising Girls. You've got this. In our next lesson, we will tackle coming up with finding an opportunity. See you then. Remember to visit the Enterprising Girls website and grab the entire lesson plan for free. You'll find the link in the description below. We provide an online classroom where you can monitor your students' progress, access curriculum links, and streamline reporting. Explore it at enterprisinggirls.com.au by clicking on the online classroom in the Teacher Hub.